Hey Chasers, it's Tim again with Chasing the Joneses, and we're glad that you're back watching this channel. Today we got something new, hopefully something that will encourage you to update the outside of your rig. As you know, we've already painted the graphics. We've got the new color paint on there. It looks fantastic, but there are some other things that takes away from the aesthetic of the RV, and that is these little blinker, these little lights right here. They're dirty, they're dingy, they're really just nasty. I want to replace all of these with these LED lights. So today on this episode, I want to show you how you can replace this old one with this new LED light. Stay tuned, because here we go. Alright folks, you're not going to need a lot of tools to be able to do this with. It's going to be pretty easy. So what you want to do is you want to pop this off, and what you want to do is you want to have a regular screwdriver. So really folks, this is much easier than what we even think about. You know, sometimes we think about how hard things may be, how difficult lights are and things like that, but to be honest with you, it's just as easy as that last one I did with the porch light. You know, I added on that porch light that's motion activated. It's LED, so it's bright when it comes on, and so we can see to get in the door, or can scare people off when they're walking around our rig, right? And so this is no exception. It's fairly easy. You get in here on the side, you can just pry it open right there on the side with a regular flathead screwdriver, and it just pops off. And so the great thing about this is you can see that there's only 2 screws holding this light on. And so we're going to check. We're going to pull that out, and we're going to see how it looks. You only need just a couple tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, and also maybe a small drill bit in case the holes don't line up. And so here we go. We're going to take it off. Very simple, just that simple little screw, right? And it comes right on off. Now we got this off. We're just kind of looking right there's the hole that this light comes through, and so we're just going to take a look at and see how we can replace this. So you got a white wire and you got a black wire. Now this, of course, is been put in by the factory, right? And so you see these things, and that connects it, but you're not going to need these 2 wires, so you're going to be able to just cut those wires off. So simply just give them a little snip off, and that falls right out. And so now you have these wires. Now you just need to strip these wires, which is pretty simple to do. There you go. There you go, the wires have now been stripped. The black goes to the black, the white goes to the white. Now before I do anything, before I screw this back on, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go inside and I'm going to turn on the lights to see if indeed this light comes on. Okay, so look at that. Wow, that's going to be way better when I'm driving down the road, pushing my blinker on. It's going to be way better in there. Now what we need to do is we need to secure these wires so they're not going to come off during travel and things like that. So we're going to put a couple nuts on there. We're also going to put some black tape on there. All right, we got some black tape. We're going to black tape these things up. So that they will not come apart. So we've gotten the wiring connected just the way it's supposed to do. I always like to kind of just clean this out. You know, when you're putting on something new, just clean it really good around it. All right, so both screws in. You may not want to, may not want to think you have to, but I like to seal this up, you know, just around it. And you know what I use best is this clear flex shot stuff, because not only does it adhere to everything, it keeps it tight, but it also seals out all that water. So we're going to do that. Now I'm just going to take your finger, just wipe it around, just like that. Put the excess right there. That gives it a nice, good, waterproof seal on it. And now pop it on, and it's not going anywhere. Now the last thing I want to do is want to go up there and turn everything back on again. Make sure that this light is still working. All right, look at that, working nice. All right, I just wanted to check one last time to make sure everything was in there. It was working fine. It's all on there, looking good. And so now I've got one more on the side over here, 2 on that side, and then the upper lights that we want to do is also, and we will be seen as we are coming down the road in the evenings at night. Well, thanks for watching. I'm glad that you were here. Remember that you can do a lot of these repairs yourself. Just takes a little time, a little effort, a little know-how, and that's why we bring you these videos, so you can also see how easy it is to continue to take care of your motor home, no matter how new it is or how old it is. And it's all up to you. You can do it. Well, that's it for us today. We're glad that you guys were with us. Don't forget to hit that like button, and also to hit that, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel so we can get the word out there more and more to everyone who loves to go for RVing, and those who are wanting to go. Well, God bless you, and we'll see you next time down the road.